yeah, I think it was really nice just to feel represented.
Tonight, I have been invited to this amazing venue with Brigad UK, talking about how difficult it can be to be a woman in hospitality.
So tonight's event has been really nice buzz to it, nice energy, a lot of inclusivity, a lot of questions, which is always great to see an engaged audience. And also I think there's a lot of optimism, and hopefully this is just giving people a bit more energy to be able to move forward.
The event was amazing. The crowd was participating, asking really interesting questions. All the panelists were super interesting people, and it was a pleasure to take part.
The night was really interesting. I really felt inspired about the women in the panel, also the lady who was conducting the panel.
I think the event is vital, it's much needed in order to build awareness of why there should be more women in leadership positions and to welcome more females in.
I've been to different talks and events like this in London, and I think this one really resonated with me.
Oh, one word. Exciting.
Fantastic.
Inspirational.
Energetic.